The tobacco industry is a master of illusion. It takes a small grain of reality and then manipulates it. But beneath the smoke lies the truth. The truth that the tobacco industry loves to twist, turning it into something that it's not. The tactics used by the tobacco industry are varied. It exaggerates the economic importance of the industry, ignoring health and social costs. It lobbies to influence lawmaking. It tries to discredit proven science. The show needs to end. The tobacco industry is constantly on the lookout for ways to boost its credibility by association and sharing the stage with respectable entities such as the United Nations. However, did you know that by doing so, your hard-won credibility is being used by the tobacco industry and is empowering it to then apply pressure on countries to collaborate with them too? That's because any association with the tobacco industry or with front groups that work to further industry's interests can tarnish an agency's reputation. Ask yourself, how much is your reputation worth? A useful tool to help navigate interactions is the Model Policy for Agencies of the United Nations System on Preventing Tobacco Industry Interference. This policy draws inspiration from the WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, or WHO FCTC, a United Nations treaty committed to tackling the tobacco epidemic. This policy ensures that efforts to protect tobacco control from commercial and other vested interests of the tobacco industry are comprehensive, effective, and consistent across the United Nations system. For some United Nations agencies, interactions may be unavoidable. However, they need to be conducted under limited circumstances to avoid any perception of partnership or collaboration. The policy suggests these additional steps. Inform and educate all sectors of your agency on the effects of tobacco and the activities of the tobacco industry. Do not grant access to the name, logo, or emblem of your agency. Limit interactions to what's strictly necessary to fulfill your agency's mission or mandate. Do not award or give prizes to the tobacco industry to reward activities described as socially and environmentally responsible performed by the industry. This is a form of greenwashing that the tobacco industry engages in to suggest sustainability efforts, when in reality, this industry is causing incalculable harm to human health and the environment. Do not invest, or if you have, then divest, from stocks of the tobacco industry or any organisation that works to further its interests. Remember the Sustainable Development Goals and their targets, in particular Target 3A on strengthening implementation of the WHO FCTC in all countries, are integrated and indivisible, and tobacco use undermines them. When we work together in solidarity and with greater awareness, we stand a better chance of countering the harmful effects of the tobacco industry across the globe. And when we work together, we can stop their show. For good. Go to the Model Policy link to learn more.